This is still a 30 road. So watch your speed here. Don't be tempted to go more than 30. Remember, you are still, you are going to be assessed in the test. They'll be watching the speedometer. Yeah, do not worry about holding traffic behind you because you are at the speed that you are supposed to be. So I'm going uphill here. My target uphill will be 28, 29. If you look at the speedometer, I don't know if you can see, it is 29 miles an hour currently. I'm at 30 now. So we are coming to the national speed limit soon. Just after the blue car on my left, there's a national speed limit sign on both sides. The national speed limit on a single carriageway is 60. Yeah, so I'm still at 30. Make sure I'm 30 before the national speed limit sign. Now I'm building up my speed. I tell my learners, your target is 50. You don't want to go past 50. So you could do 47, 48, 49 is fine. I'm doing currently 48 miles an hour. This is a wide road, so it's saying slow. I can still maintain my speed about 45 miles an hour around this corner. Wide road. I'm at 43, 42. It's still saying slow, so I've reduced my speed to 40. Around the next corner, you're looking between 36 to 39. So I'm at 37. Going around this corner, just dropped to 36. Soon there'll be a long stretch of straight road. So now there's a straight road. I'm building up my speed again. I do not want to be going to 60. It's too dangerous. 50 is fine. We're going to come to a roundabout. We're going to take the second exit. So look at the sign. We're following the Court Bridge, Glenmavis. So I'm reducing speed at the Glenmavis sign and I'm pressing the brake. And I'm taking the second exit, so there's no signalling. Position the car to the left. Yeah, if you see my speed reducing there, I'm checking on the right hand side. I see a car coming, but he's going left. Follow the road to the left. Follow the black line on the left. Check my mirror signal left. Yeah, we're still in the national speed limit. It's 60, but you will not be doing 50 on this road. This road is a lot thinner, a lot tighter. So you're aiming for about 40. So I'm doing 36. 38 is fine. Slightly wider here. 40 is fine here as well. I just have to be careful with the bends. If you're going to brake, you brake before the bend. I'm just off the gas on the bend. I'm at 39. Watch out for the next bend. So I'm reducing a little speed. I'm at 36, 37. That's fine. And then back on the gas after the bend. There's a 30 sign, a new 30 sign. New speed limit enforced. So I'm braking, reducing my speed gradually. Once I get to 31, I'm off the brake. My speed dropped to 27. And then again, watch the speed. My speed went to 31, so I just gently released, not fully, my gas pedal. I am going downhill, so I'm letting the momentum carry me. I'm just off the gas now. I'm at 30, that's fine. There is a roundabout coming. The satellite navigation does not recognize this roundabout. It's a mini roundabout. Remember the 3 white arrows, the 3 amigos. So I'm reducing my speed. It is tight. Be careful. Hug the island and follow it around. So look at my speed. I'm at 8, 9, 10 miles an hour. That's fine. 9, and then turning the wheel. There's another roundabout coming. Be careful at the next roundabout. We're still in the 30 zone. I can see the lights flashing, so I'm reducing my speed. And watch out for the uneven road surface here just before this giveaway. Checking my right. 20 zone. Lights are flashing. I've mentioned this before. I cannot do more than 20. There's a school on my right hand side. So I'm currently at 90 miles an hour. There's a 30 sign over there. I will go to 30 or start building up my speed after the sign. And there's a roundabout coming. Again, a mini roundabout. I can see the 3 amigos there. Check my mirror signal left. Reducing my speed, making sure it's safe for me to go. And it's safe for me to go. And I'm following the corner or the road round to my left. This is a 30 zone. Making sure that you check your mirrors for the new road. We are taking a left turn at the next roundabout. So I just went to 32, so I'm reducing the speed there. Checking my mirrors just after this left turn, and I'm taking the left turn at the roundabout. Yeah, it's safe for me to go following the road around. I'm just taking it easy. It is a 30 road. I just checked my mirrors, went past the car, checked my mirrors and came back in. The next road where the people are walking on the left is a speed limit sign 40. There's a wall there you can see in front of me. Be extra careful, it's very tight. Do not do 40 around that corner. So I'm giving a little gas, slow sign, I'm braking, and my speed around this corner to make sure I'm safe, it's just dropped down to 22 miles an hour. 19 to 22 is fine, and I'm building back on that speed again. I cannot do 40 on this road, it's quite impossible. Just before the bend, I released my gas just a little bit. Around the bend, I'm back on the gas again. So I'm building up my speed, 34, 35, and then just watching the bend, just releasing the gas a little, and following the road round. 32 to 35 is fine on this road. There's a 30 sign just on my right hand side. I'm just slowing down to show you. Make sure you do not go past 40 on that sign, and then we've got a 20 zone. So my speed is being reduced. I'm at 20 miles an hour. 18, 19 is fine. Don't want to get to 21. There we go. 18, 19 is fine. I am going downhill. Yeah, the 30 sign is on the right hand side, not the first 30 sign where the side street is. Making sure I maintain my speed. Do not let it go past 20. Yeah, 21 is okay. It's 30 now, so I'm just back on my gas, checking my mirrors, making sure it's safe.